In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Chrome not loading websites. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if Chrome is opening but refuses to load pages, it's often due to a conflict within update or a corrupted DNS resolver. So what you want to do firstly is go over to Google Chrome, then tap the three dots on the right, and then go over to settings, and then go over to system. Once you're here, toggle off use graphics acceleration when available, and then click the relaunch button that appears. Now, what you could also do is right click your Windows icon and then run terminal as admin. I'm just going to run it normally though. And then you want to go ahead and use these commands. So the first one is this one right here. You can pause it if you need to. Once you've typed it in, press enter and let it run. Then you want to do this one, ipconfig/flush DNS. And then the final one that you want to go ahead and do, you have to do these in order, is we're just going to go and erase this. And then this is the final one you want to go ahead and do. Then restart your computer, open Chrome again, and then all of the websites should work. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.